I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it is almost St. Patrick's Day, and I don't know about you, but time is flying. It was just Valentine's Day. Before that, it was just Christmas, and, you know, back and back and back. But St. Patrick's Day is coming. Easter is coming very fast. Oh, I don't have her in the stand, right? And behind that, we're going to have, before you know it, 4th of July. And right after that, on July 31st, Jamie from Let's Talk About It with Jamie and I are hosting a meet and greet of other YouTube doll collectors and creators, content creators. And we're going to meet at the St. Louis Doll Convention, July 31st through the 3rd. Now, which day we're doing the meet on and what we're going to try to do is still up in the air. We're working things out. We're talking to other creators to see who's going to be in town when or if they can come. If you are interested in joining us in St. Louis for a time of fun where we can actually meet one another, here's what we're hoping. We're hoping to get an area in a restaurant or a library or somewhere where we can meet together for a couple hours, do a little filming, do a little interviewing of other doll collectors, get to sit with one another and laugh and talk about our videos and our dolls, etc. It's really fun. Just did it this winter. Contact either myself or Jamie. My email address, best way to get in touch with me, is listed below. And I will have the link to Jamie's channel in the description. Thank you for watching. We sure hope you can join us. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.